Hey y'all. This is Voice Paul, the voice of NOAA Weather Radio, on behalf of CXP EAS 05 Media Network, and more. Do you want to consider giving CXP more subscriber milestones? Or are you busy doing some random brainrot memes on your phone, or any other devices? Actually, don't do the toilet cringe. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more videos.
Great job, MFL. Now waiting on TBWs. Now we'll wait for TBW. Okay, it didn't go off. Yeah, I got WWC 59.
This was also a test of the specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each one between 11 meters. Now return to regular.
Yeah, this is right after I legit just squished my water bottle. And TBW said no. Yep, got that RWT out of the way. Alright, there we go. This happened right after I legit just squished my water bottle. And then TBW just said no, no. There it is. There we go. Oh yeah, New Orleans is continuing the tornado outbreak.
This was also a test of the same system for specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties.
My Eton Verx 2 is off, so I don't care about that.
24-hour voice of your national weather service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from western Florida. This was also a test of the same system for specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless
Oh yeah, we got a mesoscale concerning 285 and 6 across the... They're having bad tornadoes over there. That's when I want to see fast activations. Yeah, the reason why my ceiling fan is red is because Mississippi's bad tornadoes over there. Yeah.